What's going on, guys? Typically we tour brand new manufactured homes. But today we are going to be taking you through this refurbished 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that was built in the 70s. What's really nice is check out this freestanding carport. You have room to fit 3 or 4 cars on this driveway, which is very unique. Most spaces do not accommodate that many cars. This is a 55 plus manufactured housing community called Pepperwood in El Cajon, California. Pepperwood is a highly desired community. We're going to be taking you through the other side, but take a look at this wheelchair ramp. And we also added this awning. So if you need wheelchair access, this is a good home for you. Let's go take a look on the inside. Our guys did a great job. They completely refurbished the inside. All new floors, paint, countertops, backsplash, appliances, light fixtures. They really did it all. So right now, take a look. Here is a nice sized porch. This is a 6-foot porch that leads into another California room. There are 2 different California rooms in this home. Even though this is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, it's a very large 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Take a look at this. This would be your living area. Then you're gonna love what you see around the corner over there. This is, like I said, a very spacious home. Leave a comment in the comment section and tell us what you think. One thing that I do like and appreciate in the older homes is they always have this nice, tell me what you would call this. You got this desk with overhead cabinets, bank of drawers, lower cabinets. They put laminate countertops. Let's get in there for you. What is your favorite color countertop? Right now, whites, blacks, and speckled gray is very popular. As you can see, this is a cozy kitchen, but this kitchen has everything you need. Right there, brand new stove, oven. Here's your stove top. They even added a gooseneck faucet with sprayer. They did put a 2-cell stainless steel sink. I appreciate the single cell. It's a little bit easier to wash dishes, but these are deep enough. Tell us what you think. It comes with this dishwasher right here. I really like this area right here. It makes it a little more inclusive. This would kind of be like your dining area. Put a nice dining room table. And over here is your utility room. This is real. This is a large room. All these rooms are a great size. And look at that breakfast bar. If you have grandkids that come to visit you, your friends or your family, they can sit at this breakfast bar while you're cooking. And then over here, there are 2, like I said before, there are 2 California rooms. Right here would be a good place to have like as an office, or again, if you have grandkids over, it could be a little play area. You could store their toys. It could be a storage room for you. And look at this. This home has plenty of room and plenty of storage. And right here, you can see there's that front deck. I'd love to hear what your favorite part of this home is. Do you like the breakfast bar? Do you like the porch? Do you like the California rooms? And tell us what colors you like for all the decor. Flooring, cabinets. This room's a little bit dark, but let's go in here anyways. I think we're getting enough light to be able to show you. You can fit a king-size bed in this room. And over here, you even have more cabinet space. Take a look at that. You can even, they got that rod there to hang your clothes. So not only do you have the mirrored wardrobe closet, but you also have room here to hang some of your clothes. And then of course, you have your bank of drawers. Now we're gonna go back out here in the hallway, and even look at this. Even in the hallway, you have more cabinet space. This could be like your linen closet. It really could be anything you need. And this is the second bathroom. Again, wow, look at those countertop here. Let me back up a little bit so that you can see everything here. I really like what they did. Beautiful countertops, they're very clean. And beautiful walk-in shower. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We premiere brand new manufactured home tours on a weekly basis. We also provide great deals, options. We give you some suggestions and tips if you're looking to order a brand new manufactured home. We've been doing this for over 20 years. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at 866-720-2207. More closet space and cabinets right there. Take a look at that. This is a really large bedroom. You can easily fit a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser. You have plenty of room. At first I was like, gosh, they should have put a bank of drawers or cabinets there, but that area is nice. You could put your dirty hamper there. You could put a chair there to do your makeup. But take a look at that. I really like this backsplash. Look how big this bathroom is. So that is the end of this manufactured home tour. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. If you have any questions or need more information, give us a call at 866-720-2207.